Garina Thomlamlaga Hanna Yenglamdana Chen Kibadagi, Awa from the Tahoraba Muisingda, Lengakna, compensation to victims of hit and run motor accident scheme Gimakada, Sel Gimateng Piri, Adabu Skimasi Miam Naningtina Kangba Watpana Maram Oraga, Skimasi Kudong Java Sing Mapung Fana Launadri, Hiramasada Impact News Yakanaba Powdam Ama.
Compensation to victims of hit and run motor accident scheme 2022 is the 1st April 2022 the launch of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Ministry ki makhata Ministry initiative lawbiraga hit and run motor accident compensation scheme asi any motor accident concern police officer singna IO singna panakana khonaraga su gari thengammiba gari si thiba phangdragadi hit and run gi case ne na declare tawraba cases singda asopan thokpa adagi misi mina yawa matamda asokpa gina lising yang khai bogi compensation claim tawba yagani misi mina thokpa matamda na la ani bogi compensation claim tawba yagani.
Ministry of Road Transport and Highways na kumzali singani kunithoigi February kunmanga da hit and run motor accident da victim oihoraba singda selgi mating pinaba scheme launch tawkraba matungda compensation to victims of hit and run motor accident scheme haina mingthonba scheme asigi kanaba hauzik fawbi oina mioi anida department of fanganba lekrai adubu miyamna scheme asigi matangda khangba watpana scheme asina piriba khudong chawa sing fangfam thokpa victims singda fanghanba ngamdri scheme asina piriba kanaba madi khudong chawa sing launaba matau karamna apply tawgani haibagi matangda district transport officer Hemochandra Bamna warol kaya fongdorakli.
Sigi scheme sigi matungina akhoi form khara lai form number 1 sida applicant sina asokpa midana applicant oibibi ai aduna tragana lai hidaba oiraga dimagi next kin haitare family member or legal representative singna form number 1 sida accident hoiba mafam dugi concern SDO da form number 1 si mail laga masi submit tawigadabani concern SDO na claim inquiry officer oibani claim inquiry officer sina ngasagi form number 1 de apply tawiraiba form adagi supporting document sing sagi concern SDO na claim inquiry tawiraba matungda claim settlement officer haibatare sina concern DC sing sina khoi claim settlement officer ni 1 sina apply tawirakpa public na 2 sina inquiry tawiraba matungda hairiba form 1 2 asi claim settlement officer da yauraba matungda hairiba claim asi chumme haragadi form number 3 da asai claim settlement officer concern DC sina magi compensation si akhoi gi general insurance council da forward tawigadaw.
Scheme sigi kanaba fanglaba Thobal district tikendro laisram nasu scheme sigi kanaba miyam da lohhaning bagi apamba fongdorakpaga loinana laingak na paikhaliba khongthang asibu thagat pu fongdorakli
sigi hidden compensation scheme se lai se akoi ju ban akoi sabuk da khangam de 2022 da thokibani ar 2024 da after 2 years da koina sigi scheme se apply to de haitare aham da koi ju yam thajade du matang do sahi su yam re sibu na adum ai je theng na moi kan hona wibdagi koi dc thawal gi staff sing kan hona wibdagi adugi compensation 2 lakh compensation de koi phangjare
2022 dagi launch tawkiba hit and run motor accident scheme gi kanaba sing victims sing na lowba amade mari lenaba department sing na su miyam da hena khangan bagi tangai fadaba leiri video journalist nauchaga loina na paudam zarbe Elizabeth Impact News.